Chapter 19 Direct Speech and Indirect Speech. Neha, I have completed my homework. Ritu, Sahil. She said that she had completed her homework. In A, Neha says something directly to Ritu. Ritu can put it this way. She said, I have completed my homework. These are the actual words spoken by Neha. Words between inverted comma. The actual word spoken by the speaker is called direct speech. In B, Ritu responds what Neha said to her to another boy, Sahil. Ritu has put it this way. She said that she had completed her homework. These are not the actual words spoken by Neha. This is a reported version of Neha's actual words. The reported version of the actual words spoken by the speaker is called reported speech or indirect speech. Thus, you can narrate the speech to another speaker in the following two ways. First, direct speech. Second, indirect speech. Now, let us study those two narrations in detail with reference to the above two sentences. First, direct speech. The actual words used by the speaker are called direct speech. She said, inverted comma, I have completed my homework. Reporting verb. Used of comma. First word of the direct speech begins with a capital letter. Direct speech is put between inverted commas. Inverted comma. Second, indirect speech. Indirect speech given an account of someone that someone has said but without quoting the actual words that are used. Indirect reported speech is usually introduced by a reporting verb such as say or tell, followed by the word that as. She said, I have completed my homework. Direct speech. She said that she had completed her homework. Indirect speech. Subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb. Conjunction that is used after removing comma and inverted commas. First person possessive adjective my is changed into her in accordance with the subject of the reporting verb. First person pronoun I is changed into she according to the subject of the reporting verb. Verb forms of the present tense are changed into verb forms of the past tense. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. First, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reporting speech is not changed. First, the teacher says, Simi is an obedient girl. Direct. The teacher says that Simi is an obedient girl. Indirect. Second, Nitin will say, I have eaten my lunch. Direct. Nitin will say that he has eaten his lunch. Indirect. Second, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the reported speech is also changed into the past tense. Tense changes in the following ways. Direct speech, indirect speech. Present simple change into past simple. The teacher said the period is over. The teacher said that the period was over. Present continuous change into past continuous. My mother said water is flowing from the tap. My mother said that water was flowing from the tap. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Dilip said they have eaten their breakfast. Dilip said that they have eaten their breakfast. Past simple changes into past perfect. Mayur said Rohit left yesterday. Mayur said that Rohit had left the previous day. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. He said Nidhi was coming. He said that Nidhi had been coming. Will changes into would. Shall changes into should, would. Can changes into could, may changes into might. In case the direct speech contains a universal truth, scientific fact, or habitual action, the tense does not change. Example: he said owls hunt at night. Direct. He said that owls hunt at night. Indirect. Rules for changing personal pronouns. First person pronoun has changed according to the subject of the reporting verb, as he said, I am unwell. Direct. He said that he was unwell. Indirect. Second person pronouns are changed according to the object of the reporting verb, as he said to me, you have spoken truly. Direct. He said to me that I had spoken truly. Indirect. Third person pronouns remain unchanged. He said she is a nice girl. Direct. He said that she was a nice girl. Indirect. Words expressing nearness in time and place are usually changed into words expressing distance. Thus, as a general rule, we change ago into before, now into then, this, these into that, those, here into there, hither into thither, thus into so, today into that day, tomorrow into the next day, yesterday into the previous day, last night into the previous night. You said to me, I am going just now. Direct. You told me that you were going just then. Indirect. Ankur said, I shall go to Lucknow tomorrow. Direct. Ankur said that he would go to Lucknow the next day. Indirect. He said, I went to the mall yesterday. Direct. He said that he had gone to the mall the previous day. Conversations to imperative sentences. In reporting a command, a request, or an advice in the indirect speech, first reporting verb is changed into order, request or advice. Some other suitable words can be used as ask, beg, command, forbid, invite, tell, urge, etc. Second, the verb of the reported speech is changed into in infinite, to go, to open, etc. Mother said to me, put the flower pot on the table. Direct. Mother told me to put the flower pot on the table. Indirect. Ravi said to Ritu, please give this book to Amit. Direct. Ravi requested Ritu to give that book to Amit. Indirect. Conversation of interrogative sentences. In reporting an interrogative sentence or question in the direct speech, first, the reporting verb is changed into asked, inquired, demanded, etc. Second, whether or if is used after reporting verb when the question begins with have, has, may, do, did, is, are, etc. And when the answer is these questions is either yes or no. Third, questions beginning with interrogative words like how, why, where, who, much, which, when, etc. do not take the words if, whether. Fourth, the interrogative form is changed into the assertive form. The question mark is dropped. Fifth, tense, pronouns and words denoting time and place and changed according to the rule already discussed. He said to me, why did you shout at me? Direct. He asked me why I shouted at him. Indirect. I said to Mohit, have you found your pen? Direct. I asked Mohit if he had found his pen. Indirect. Conversation of exclamatory sentences. In reporting a wish or exclamation into direct speech, first, the reporting verb is changed into wish, bless, cry, exclaim, pray, etc. and with phrases like with regret, with delight, with sorrow, etc. Second, exclamations such as oh, well, alas, etc. are dropped. Third, exclamatory sentences is changed into assertive sentences and that is usually added as a connector. Fourth, exclamation marked is omitted. I said how happy he is, direct. I exclamated with joy that he was very happy, indirect. She said, "Oh God, forgive me," direct. She prayed to God to forgive her, indirect.